Hello YouTube, Chastek's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to install and use a Microsoft PC Manager in Windows computer. A Microsoft Windows launched a new PC Manager which will help you to boost your computer, scan and access different features from one application. So let's see how we can use this application. I hope you like this application. So open your browser. Type here pcmanager.microsoft.com, or I will put the link under the description box so you'll find it here. This one is the application which is boost your PC's performance, and you will find here the download option. So click here download. I think it's 3 megabyte or 4 megabyte. I already downloaded the application here, so I'm going to install it in my computer. So here I confirm by selecting yes, then it will start installing the application. Here agree the terms and click install. Then the full system security checkup, one click, and other informations will be installed. So wait until it will reach 100%. So here the PC Manager installation completed. Now let's launch the application. So here we have the PC Manager, and in the front section you will have here boost your PC's performance, as it says. So it will help you to boost the speed. Here the memory usage and temporary files are here. So if I click here, it will boost or it will remove the temporary files, and it will give me a space. As you can see, it will be 0, and it just minimize the memory usage. Again, as you can see here, again it's decreasing the memory usage. Here also you will find a health checker option. So if you click here the arrow, it will look for issues related with, so items to clean up, virus, potential issues, startup apps to disable. So it will show you. So after the end, it will show you here a result, and you can click and you can improve your PC Manager related with the health. So as you can see here, select actions to proceed. So if I'm going to proceed, it will remove all the unnecessary, and here the health check is completed, and you can click here done. And after that, you can see even the storage management. You can click here the arrow again, and here it will show you different sizes, which is 10 megabyte, 50 megabyte, 100 megabyte, 1 GB. So if I click 1 GB, it will show me documents, pictures, compressed folders, other audio and video files who have greater than 1 GB file. So if I click here view in file explorer, it's going to open all the files related with 1 GB. Here are the files. So you can remove all these files if you don't want. And the other thing that you will get from this one would be you can clean up or deep clean. So you can even remove a temporary files, manage larger files, manage even apps. You can click this one and it will directly opens the apps and features, so you can uninstall or do other stuff. And also you can even check the storage sense. So you can click here and you can sense the storage, and as well as temporary files. Here you can make different configurations. And the other one will be the process management. So you can click here and you can end any process that are currently working on your computer. So you can end or you can start any process management, as well as the startup apps. So you can click here the arrow, and here are some applications that will start with your computer when it starts up. So you can turn off, and you can see the impact on the startups. Here it have high, and it will show you the low startup. So you can turn on and turn off the startup apps. And as well as it have here a security feature. You can click the security, and even you can update your Windows. You can scan your computer, and also you can check your browser protections. You can turn on, turn off, and other options are also available. So on this PC manager, it's Microsoft provided different options, so you will find a whole bunch of services in one application, and I think it's a great improvement, and it will help you to boost, to protect your computer, so you can download and use this application. And I hope this video helped you. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.